So welcome back to yet another video on the NA Garage YouTube channel, and today we're going to a car meet that is in Ljubljana. This is a place that's like an hour and a half away from me. I'm sorry for the weird camera angles, but I'm also trying to drive here. There's a lot of cool cars out today because it's a Saturday. It's a really nice day. It's about 10 degrees right now. And yeah, we are going to the car meet. We are going with a group of some really cool cars, so I'll show that on the way. I'll be recording that, and I'll also be recording at the place where the meet takes place, so that was worded very correctly. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the way. I'm sorry for not uploading, but there has just been nothing to film really. I didn't do anything to the car except for the wheels that I've already shown, and of course the comparison video, which was the previous one. So yeah, let's go to the meet. I just had to record this. Just in front of me is a Cayenne GTS. It's such a cool car. You can see me well right now, but we've just had a stop on the way and we'll be there in about 30 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I'll record some clips of the cars. There's about 350 cars on the meet, and yeah, the meet is actually sold out. It's all going to a charity that helps kids. I think it's something about education or health or something. I'm not really sure. I didn't read into that very well. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the meet. So we just got to the actual car park and it is extremely full. We've been here now for more than 20 minutes, I think, and we're still waiting to get up.
Monkey.
So you probably just about cannot see anything right now, but we are indeed back from the meet. I hope you enjoyed the montage or whatever I'm going to do with the clips that I got. Somewhere very good. I missed a burnout in the Rad E46, yeah, M3. It was a really short one and they told him to go home, so yeah, that was a good one, I guess. I mean, good from the organizers, I guess, because doing burnouts and stupid stuff like that is bad for everyone in the community and not just that guy that got kicked out. So yeah, there was about 3,000 people, and the show, the charity, was for not a company, whatever you call it. Basically it was for kids that are in poorer families and they need a lot of medical help. And yeah, this is what the money that we paid to get into the meet was all for. It's also in the news article, in our local one. And yeah, it was a really good meet. I've enjoyed it a lot. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next time in the next video. And yeah, thank you all very much for watching.